Today I'm going to be going over the battery drainage after updating to iOS 16. That actually continued with 16.1 update. As you see, my battery maximum capacity is still good, 91%, and that's been for years now. But if we go to the last 10 days of battery usage, you will notice that my last 3 days are actually the only one below 100% of battery usage. All the other days reached 100%, and you can see the Saturday and Sundays, like 8-9 days ago, it took I almost didn't use it, and it still used like 130% battery charge, so I had to charge it for another 30%. That median in the activity will show that in general I'm using it about 3 hours a day, plus or minus, but only the last 3 days I was able to actually not charge it for a whole day, and actually I was left with a lot of charge. You can see Friday and Saturday there was like 25% left in the battery. So the way to fix the issue is you have to go to sound and settings and turn off the haptic options over there. And you can see on Thursday I turned it off, and that was the first day I was able to run all day without charging it. And after that there was no problems. So what you need to do is scroll to sound and haptic, scroll all the way down in that section, and make sure the play haptic in ring mode, play haptic in silent mode, and system haptics are completely off. By doing all this, your battery drainage will be fixed. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel.